So, studying about the Mendelian disorders. Mendelian disorders are caused due to alteration or mutation in a gene or alteration or mutation in single gene, and they follow the Mendel's principles of inheritance. So, Mendelian disorders Mendelian disorders are caused due to alteration oblique mutation in single gene or mutation of single gene. So, Mendelian disorders are caused due to alteration or mutation in single gene. And they follow. Second one is they follow the Mendel's principles of inheritance. Two things are there. One is Mendelian disorders are caused due to the alteration or the mutation in a single gene, and next they follow the Mendel's principle of inheritance. So, in that continuation, we have to study some diseases. One is that is the hemophilia, as one disease we are studying, that is the hemophilia. Hemophilia. In this disease, clotting of blood is affected. In the disease hemophilia, the clotting of blood is affected. Even a minor cut causes unstopped bleeding, and this disease was observed in the Queen Victoria. She worked as the carrier and distributed the disease or produced the offsprings. Many offsprings suffered from the hemophilic disease. How their inheritance takes place? This gene is found on the X chromosome. So, hemophilia is a sex-linked recessive disease. It is a sex-linked recessive disease. It is a sex-linked recessive disease. And in this disease, male that X and Y sex chromosome will be there, and they having, if this situation is there, this male will be hemophilic. And in case of the female, if this situation is there, in this situation, female will work as a carrier. They do not have the disease, but they have this gene and they work as the carrier. And a female, another situation, if this situation is there, then only in this situation females will be diseased, and this situation she will be carrier. So males are always either normal or diseased, while females may be normal, diseased or carriers. How does the inheritance takes place? Suppose if a normal man, here normal man marry with a carrier female, carrier woman. If normal man carries marry with a carrier woman, then what happens? If normal man is there, their sex chromosome will be in such way, and if she is the carrier, so in this situation she will have such type of the sex chromosome genes will be found here, and they produce the gametes, and both will produce the gametes. We can study in this way. So this will be of the male and this will be of the female gametes. Male is the X and male is X and the Y, and female gamete will have the X and X. Two types of the gametes will be produced by the females. 50% gametes will have the normal, and by 50% gametes will have the genes that causes the hemophilia. So what will be possibilities? X, and here also X, and here will be of the Y, and here will also be Y. So what possibilities will be there? This X and X, H, X, and here X normal will be there, and here X, and here X and Y. This situation will be there. So here this will be carrier female and the carrier female, this will be hemophilic male and the normal man. This was the first situation. This is first situation is there. What happens there? This is normal man and the carrier woman, and in this disease 50%. In case of the male or the man, 50% normal and 50% will be hemophilic. And in case of women, what will be there? 50% woman will be normal, while 50% females will be carrier. So here in this situation, what will happen? 50% of the male offsprings will be of the normal, while 50% of the male child will be of the hemophilic. In the same way, what daughters will be produced? 50% daughters. So instead of man, we can use the term as the son. We use the term as the son instead of these words, because this is the sons and this is the daughters. Daughters. What will happen? In relation to the son, 50% son will be normal and 50% son will be the hemophilic. In the same way, in relation to daughters, 50% of daughters will be normal, while 50% daughters will be carrier. So another examples we can see that when a carrier, other situation we can see here. When a carrier female marry with hemophilic marriage takes place in between hemophilic man marry with carrier female or woman. What happens there in case of the hemophilic male marry with a carrier woman? Their genetic makeup will be, if male is hemophilic, then X and Y will be there. And here carrier woman means this will be. Now what gametes formation will take place? male gametes and the female gamete. Male gametes will produce X, H and the Y. Two type of the male gametes will be produced, and in case of the female, since female is the carriers, so there will be X and H and X. In this way, X, H and X, H and X, H and the Y, and here X, H and the X, and here X and Y. And this situation, what we find here, in case of the sun, what position will be sun? This is the sun, means the 50% of sun will be normal and the 50% will be hemophilic. In the same way, in case of daughters, you see, no any normal daughter will be there. 50% of daughter will be carrier, and 50% of daughter will be hemophilic. In this situation, when a hemophilic man marry with a carrier woman, in this situation, 50% of the son will be normal, while 50% son will be hemophilic, and in the relation of daughters, 50% of daughters will be carrier and 50% of daughters will be hemophilic. So in this way, we can see some other type of diseases related to just like this, just like the hemophilia. One more disease is there, color blind. We can study another disease, that is after hemophilia. Next, others we can study a different type of the combination if we can study. So next one is the after hemophilia. Next more disease is there, color blindness. Next one, the color blindness. This disease is also the same type. It is also sex-linked recessive disease. It is also the sex-linked recessive disease. What happens in case of color blindness? The patient of the disease is unable to distinguish between the red and the green colors. So such type of disease person cannot get job in the railway or such departments, where signal has very important. So in case of the, it is also sex-linked recessive disease, and in case of the male, as we can in case of the male, this is, if such type genotype will be there, male will be normal. And in this situation, this is the color blindness we are writing, so we can write C here, and we can write C here, and we can write C here. So in this situation, this will work as the carrier, and in this situation this will work as the color blind. This will work as the color blind. So in this situation we are seeing males are normal or color blind, while females are either normal or color blind. And in case of female, one more situation is there. Female, in case of the female, what will happen? Females will be normal, and males, if there is this situation is there, man will be color blindness. If this situation is there, man will be of the color blind. Males may be color blind, and if this situation is there, and maybe normal at X, and Y he will be normal. The male may be colorblind or normal. Female will be carrier, colorblind or normal. This situation case of the females. So we can study the marriage patterns in the disease. If a person, if male is colorblind, if this is the male, or we can use the term instead of the male, that is the man. A man, when he marry with a woman, is colorblind. Man marry with a carrier. Carrier woman. Man is normal. Normal man marry with a carrier woman. What possibilities may be there? Normal man is there, then its genotype, sex chromosome will be such way, and the females carriers that having the this way. So how they produce the gametes, and in this situation, this is the male gamete and this is the female gamete. In case of the male gamete, there will be X and Y, and in case of the females are X and X, and this gametes will contains the colorblind gene. So here offspring X, XX, XX, XY and XY. Four type of the offsprings will produce. Four possibilities may be there: X and XC, and here will also the XC will be there, and here will be XX and X. This situation will be there. So here these are the daughters and these are the sons. So daughters, sons 50%, 50% sun will be normal and 50% will be color blind. And daughters and in relation to daughters 50% daughters will be normal and 50% daughters will be carrier. So this will be situation possibilities when a normal man marry with a carrier woman. This situation will be there. In 50% son will be normal, while 50% son will be colorblind, and 50% daughters will be normal, while the 50% daughter will be carrier. Next possibility we can see here when colorblind man, when a colorblind man marry with a carrier woman. Then what will happen if man is colorblind? Then and if woman is carrier, then such type of the chromosome, sex chromosome, and they will produce the gametes. Male is producing XY, and since the colorblind, so genes will be found on the X chromosome. The genes of the colorblindness are found on the X chromosome. So X and the X, XC, and here X, C and XC, and here XC and X, and here XC and the Y, and here X and the Y. In this situation, the what are these sons? Here this is sun will be normal, colorblind, and this sun will be normal. So 50% will be normal, and the 50% will be colorblind. And here in relation to daughters, %, you see these are daughters. 50% daughters will be carrier. This is carrier, and 50% daughter will be colorblind. Will be colorblind. By this way we can see if this situation will be there, colorblind is there, this will be colorblind, and this will work as the carrier.